How to encrypt sensitive data on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for protecting your personal information: how to encrypt sensitive data on your computer. Encryption is a powerful way to safeguard your files from unauthorized access. So let's get started. First of all, encryption is the process of converting your data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Only someone with the correct decryption key can access the encrypted data. Now, there are several tools available for encrypting your data. Some popular ones include BitLocker for Windows, FileVault for Mac OS, and VeraCrypt for cross-platform use. Encryption data on Windows with BitLocker. Step 1. Open the Start menu and search for BitLocker. Select Manage BitLocker. Choose the drive you want to encrypt and click Turn on BitLocker. Choose how you want to unlock the drive: password or smart card. Choose where to save the recovery key, which is important for data recovery if you forget your password. Then start the encryption process. This may take some time depending on the size of the drive. You can also back up your encrypted data, so always back up your encrypted data to an external drive or cloud storage. This ensures you can recover your files if something goes wrong. And regularly update your encryption keys. Periodically change your encryption keys and passwords to enhance security. Ensure they are stored securely. Keep up with the latest encryption tools and security practices. Cybersecurity is an evolving field, and staying informed helps you stay protected. Now, you know how to encrypt your data just to keep it protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.